Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Cryptocurrency group Pro Charts. How's everyone doing? Hope you guys had a wonderful day today. Let's get right into the chart. We're looking at Nvidia. We're going to do some TA on this chart. A fresh chart here we got. But let me mention, why did the stock market all of a sudden this morning went up? Let me explain to you why the stock market went up. The CPI report came out. And Wall Street, the investors, saw that as positive news. I thought the CPI report wasn't all that great, but Wall Street thought it was wonderful. That's the reason why the stock market rallied today, went up today, 5%, 6%, some stocks even 10% higher. The CME, they're going... It's right here. 98% of the people, since the CPI report came out, 98.6 of the people here is saying that on December 18th, the federal government is going to lower interest rates. That's the reason why the stock market went up today. Knowing that we're going to have another inflation rate decrease. Now, if the Fed does drop the interest rates by a quarter basis points, then the market is going to rally. Yes, it's positive news for the market. But if the Fed pivots and does nothing, the market will come down. So all eyes is on December 18th. On what happens with the interest rate. Is the federal government going to lower the interest rate, or are they going to pivot? In my opinion, I believe they're going to lower another quarter basis points. All right, we're looking at Nvidia. You can see we have this resistance box right over here, resistance zone. Yesterday, my other video. Let's play my video from yesterday, what I posted. Final line of support right here. You can see we're tagged here. Rally back up. Nice support here. Rally back up. Tag it right here. Rally back up. And it's tagging again. Can we get a rally back up? All right. Yeah, like I said, that upper trend line, it found support right here and it rallied up. Well, you could see where my box is, that's the resistance line. It couldn't break through this box and get above, close above or close in the box for bullish momentum. I'm still bearish on Nvidia, but at this small moment right now, it went up because of the CPI report that came out earlier this morning. So let's see which direction is Nvidia going. Let's do some, so you can see 0.5 right here. It's almost tagged it from breaking through. So it's in this box. The 786 is up here, which this candle right here was resistance at the 786. It came down and fell, found support at 236 and rallied back up. So just keep that in mind. The 786. Last time it went up, it was resistance. See these candles, resistance broke through, but couldn't close above it. Resistance, 786. And this was at $146, folks. So tomorrow morning, if this bullish momentum, which you see the volume down here, we had a lot of up days. Selling pressure, all pushing down today because the CPI report came out. We had the buyers back in the market. Buyers are back in the market and pushed it up. But you see it right here, this crucial moment here at resistance 0.5. 0.5, so be at $140. $140 resistance right there, 140. So if we could break through that, we're going to see 146. And we'll see how the Fibonacci 786 plays out, how it plays out. Does it break through and continue climbing? Or does it fall back down like it did over here back in November 21st? Now let's do the Fibonacci the other way, folks. So you can see the Fibonacci here at the 786 was resistance, broke through, and then 236 up here was the resistance line where it brought it back down past 786. And right here, you can see where today the 786 was acting as support for this candle today, acting as support, and closed at 139.1. 139.1. Now from this level here, if this holds as a resistance here at the 140, if this holds as resistance, we come all the way down to right here, 132. 132 to find support right here. And let me mark this. You can see right here, this candle right here acted as support here at 132. So we go highlight this for you guys. Let's get rid of the fibs here. Fibs here. So you can see right here, if it found support, rallied up. Found support, rallied up again. Found support, rallied up. Now this could be the critical moment for tomorrow. Can we still have the buyers still in the market for the push up above this box? Or is NVIDIA go to retest $132? $132. Look at the RSI. The RSI right now, it's at this fine line here. It's at 0. So it's at neutral. It's neutral level right now. So it could go either or for it. Either or. It's very important to pay attention to what's happening in the news. Market reacts onto news. So positive goes up, negative it's going to come down. It's going to come down. So we're looking at CH20 here, chart 20 right here, this chart here, where the analytics, and you can see the squeeze right here, where it was all bullish and right up, and then it started tampering down because the momentum, they were losing momentum, and it was right here where it lost momentum. Momentum start picking up, and that's where we got this little rally up here, up to 149.36, 139.46. But you can see right now where the momentum is shifting downwards. This is pushing down, we got negative momentum downwards. So there's selling pressure right here. Selling pressure. So this is how we got to keep eyeing it. We want to see the green bars on top for the momentum upwards. Right now we're on a bottom. So the squeeze is still in for bearish momentum right here. For bearish momentum. See, I had this green box here as support on this chart, and this green box was right at 135.83. 135.83. Right here, this box. And you can see right here where it hold as support on this CH20 chart. CH20 chart. 151 was still a target price. You can see where a couple weeks ago back there, it blew through to 151. Came all the way to a 153 almost, 153. So that's still, so this chart here with the squeeze here, how this is to determine why am I bearish on it. It's because of the squeeze here. The momentum down. All right, and then on this chart here, we're back on this chart here. You can see 152.86 topped up on this chart. The box for resistance, and our 132 is our low. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, how the market reacts tomorrow. And if there's any positive news that comes out. If not, we'll see what happens. We'll see if this box is a strong resistance or a weak resistance. If it blows through, then it's a positive momentum, and we could possibly see 152. 152. We could. So that's the range right there, 152 to 132, folks. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys next time.